Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ellie, and today I'll be showing you how to make my Blackberry Snack Bars. Now these are a cross between flapjacks and energy bars. They're absolutely delicious and made from lovely, nourishing and wholesome ingredients. So let's get straight into the recipe. We'll start off by adding 220 grams of oat flour to a bowl, along with 1/3 cup of nut butter. I've used hazelnut butter, but you can use any other nut butter you like. Peanut butter, almond butter, they'd all work well. Next, you'll need 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, 4 tablespoons of sugar, I've actually used coconut sugar here, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix everything together until it's fully combined, and then line a small baking tin with baking paper and preheat the oven to 170 degrees. Pour about 2/3 of the mixture into the tin and use a spatula to spread it evenly. Then sprinkle over the blackberries and press them into the base slightly. Pour over the remaining mixture, making sure to cover all the raspberries, and then bake it for 35 minutes in the oven. Allow it to cool for half an hour. They'll be slightly soft and gooey when they come out the oven. Once it's cooled down, place in the fridge for at least 2 hours to firm up before cutting into squares. As tempting as they look, it's important not to skip this step. These will last in the fridge for up to 3 days. So there you have it, my Blackberry Snack Bars. I hope you guys give this a try. And if you do make this recipe, then please leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, then please do hit that thumbs up button and click the red subscribe button below, and I'll see you back here with another video next Friday.